Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fast travel in Stalker Gamma. And to do this we have a few different options. First one is some people standing around, and sometimes when you speak with them they'll be able to basically fast travel you to one of the locations available. And another way is to open your PDA like this, then enter the map mode, and here we'll need to right click on one of the places that we already visited, like this one right here in factory. Then when we right click on it, we'll be able to fast travel or hire a guide. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.